Hey, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. So today, is my tip on how to find a stud guaranteed in the wall there. This method I recommend for things like this. Okay, so we got a nice big back here, then we're gonna install this thing on the wall. It's like a rack here. And so we got a bathroom wall here. We're like, where are the studs here? You can try this method. Somewhere in there. Hollow, hollow, hollow. More solid. You can do that, and I kind of do that. But this is what I also do. Then you take a small finishing nail, and as you wait till it gets a little bit solid, then you go ahead and just pound in a nail about where you think it's solid. And it goes right through the sheetrock. Okay, well that's not it. So I move over about ½ an inch. I don't know if we hit anything there either. Over about ½ an inch. Oh yeah, we hit something. Okay, so there we go. Then I usually go try and find the edge. Maybe move a little ½ an inch over some more. Still solid. How about over here? A little bit more. Okay, now it went through, so found the edge. So now I kind of basically know my 2x4 is located between this hole and this hole that I made. I don't know if you can see the holes, but you gotta believe me, there's holes here, okay? That's why I recommend this method if you're gonna put up like something that'll cover the holes. Otherwise, you have to use another method. Okay, maybe a stud finder, which rarely works. Anyway, so you do that, and then usually I measure, if your house isn't made by Mickey Mouse, 16 inches from the center of that stud, basically, and 16 inches from the center should lead you to another stud on the other side. Do the same method, trying to find one edge of it, tap ½ inch, ½ inch, ½ inch, ¼ inch, till you find the other half, then you know where the middle of the stud is. And then, like for this, I drew, took a level. Hopefully, once again, if your house wasn't made by Mickey Mouse, your studs should be level as they go vertical. So then I just went from the hole that I knew where the stud was, marked it with a pencil, and then just drew a line. So I want it to go past on both sides of this rack. And above the rack, and then the rack will cover the holes. So it doesn't matter how many holes you have in the wall, this will cover it anyway. So it's not like anyone's gonna be like, take this off in 100 years and be like, oh look at that idiot, he had to do that to find the stud. It doesn't matter, you'll be dead by that time anyway, and I'm sure they'll have other techniques, but this is a surefire technique that always works. And like I said, once again, if your house wasn't built by Mickey Mouse, the stud should go vertical. Although I have had in my house, I had one wall, it had a stud going up about 4 feet, which was then attached to another stud, which attached to it like here, went up here, and then it staggered over again and went all the way to the top. Which, like I said, if your house wasn't made by Mickey Mouse, this will work for you every time. And as long as you have like a backing or something to hide it, or if you want to use putty and just fill in the holes, you can do that as well. But that takes a little bit more. You do putty, do a little bit of paint to make it look right again. So you can do that, but there's probably other ways to find it that might work. But this works really well as finding the surefire center of the stud. So anyway, I hope that helped everyone out there. Doesn't do a lot of damage. Use a small finishing nail, small as you can get in diameter, and then, I don't know, inch or two long, and that works perfect. Doesn't do a lot of damage to the wall. I don't know if you can't really see that. Can we see? Can we see? Okay, there. Yeah, there we go. Just some holes knocked into the wall there, and then I think I did. You can see probably over there too. So there we go, folks. Hope that helped everyone out there. Surefire ways to find the stud in the wall and not do a whole lot of damage to your wall as well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Okay, bye.